Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Want to make money online? Welcome to Branch Affiliate, your guide to financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome to Branch Affiliate, where you can find some of the best way to make money online. Today, we're diving into affiliate marketing and showing you how to turn your passion into profit. Let's get started. Step 1. Find your niche. Identify your area of expertise or passion. It helps you connect with your audience and recommend valuable products. Step 2. Join reputable affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. They connect you with businesses seeking promotion. Step 3. Choose quality products or services. Recommend what you believe in, aligning with your audience's needs. Quality over quantity is key. Step 4. Drive traffic to your affiliate links. Engaging content on your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or targeted ads can help. More clicks mean higher earnings. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. Analyze metrics, test strategies, and optimize campaigns for maximum earnings. Consistency is key. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Branch Affiliate.